Welcome back to JB Motorhomes, the place where the world's most extreme motorhomes, luxury machines, and futuristic rides come to life. Today's video is not just a review. It's a sneak peek into a future where supercar performance meets five-star hotel living on wheels. Because what you're about to see is the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, a machine so bold, so advanced, and so outrageous that it completely changes what luxury travel even means. In this video, you'll discover its wild exterior design, the jet-inspired interior, the insane performance setup, and at the end, I'll reveal the jaw-dropping price that has everyone talking. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the last second for that. Now let's step into a world where power, prestige, and comfort collide. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, it doesn't look like a typical RV. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The design language screams Lamborghini from every angle. Sharp cuts, aggressive edges, and an aerodynamic stance that feels fast even when standing still. At the front, the ultra-slim LED lighting signature instantly reminds you of Lamborghini's legendary supercars. The headlights aren't just for style. They use adaptive touring technology for long-distance night driving. The body itself is built from a combination of lightweight aluminum and reinforced carbon panels, giving this massive machine incredible strength while keeping unnecessary weight down. From the side, the flowing roofline and active air channels show how serious Lamborghini is about aerodynamics, even on a motorhome. Sculpted panels guide airflow smoothly across the body, improving stability and efficiency at high speeds. Sitting underneath are massive 24-inch forged wheels, shaped with a dramatic, eye-inspired design that reflects Lamborghini's racing heritage. At the rear, the drama continues with full-width LED tail lights, a muscular diffuser, and a power-operated rear storage system that opens using the same hydraulic technology found in Lamborghini sports cars. Before you even step inside, one thing is already clear: this is not just a luxury RV. This is a performance machine with attitude. Now step inside, and everything changes. The interior of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome feels like a fusion of a private jet and a hypercar cockpit. Every inch is wrapped in Italian craftsmanship, Alcantara surfaces, hand-stitched premium leather, real carbon fiber trims, and elegant brushed metal accents. Nothing feels ordinary. Every surface feels intentional. The ambient lighting system is fully customizable, allowing you to shift from relaxing warm tones to aggressive performance-inspired lighting with a single touch. Up front, the cockpit feels unmistakably Lamborghini. A massive digital screen displays navigation, performance stats, road conditions, and system controls all at once. The steering wheel is inspired directly by Lamborghini supercars, complete with drive mode selectors and paddle shifters. The center console looks like it belongs in a fighter jet. Toggle switches control suspension height, driving modes, climate systems, and even the smart home controls throughout the motorhome. This isn't just driving, it's commanding a machine. As you move deeper inside, the living space opens into pure luxury. The lounge area features electrically reclining leather sofas, positioned perfectly in front of a retractable 65-inch 8K OLED TV. The audio system is specially tuned for this cabin, turning the entire space into a rolling private cinema. The windows use smart privacy glass that automatically tints based on sunlight and interior settings, giving you full control over privacy and atmosphere. The kitchen is compact but incredibly high-end. Induction cooking surfaces blend seamlessly into carbon fiber. Cabinetry. The refrigerator is hidden behind touch-activated panels. Lighting, temperature, and power usage are all controlled through a centralized smart system. The bedroom feels like a luxury boutique hotel suite. You get a full king-size memory foam bed, ambient ceiling lighting, a panoramic side window for sunrise views, and independent climate control for perfect sleeping conditions. Storage is hidden behind sliding carbon panels to keep everything clean and minimal. And the bathroom? It's pure elegance. Rainfall shower system, marble-style wall finishes, gold accent fixtures, and a heated mirror that never fogs up. Lamborghini didn't design a motorhome here. They designed a mobile luxury apartment. Now let's talk about what truly separates this machine from every other RV on the road: performance. Under the rear section sits a hybrid twin-turbo V8 powertrain producing over 900 horsepower. Electric motors deliver instant torque, while the engine handles long-distance power smoothly and efficiently. Despite its massive size, this motorhome accelerates faster than many luxury SUVs. Power is sent through an advanced all-wheel drive system for maximum grip and confidence on any terrain. The suspension is fully adaptive, adjusting hundreds of times per second to changing road conditions. The regenerative braking system not only recharges the battery pack, but also delivers sharp, controlled stopping power. It even uses predictive road scanning technology. Sensors and cameras read the road ahead to prepare the suspension for bumps, curves, and surface changes before you even reach them. The result? A ride that stays smooth, composed, and shockingly comfortable no matter where you drive. The cabin remains quiet thanks to advanced noise-canceling insulation. Steering is responsive, and with Level 3 autonomous driving, the motorhome can handle long highway stretches on its own, turning exhausting road trips into relaxing luxury cruises.